Hello everyone, welcome back to Money Pulsar. Did you know you can actually get paid to take care of your parents or elderly loved ones? It's true. In this video, I'll show you real government programs in the USA, Denmark, Canada, Australia, and India that make this possible. We'll go through it step by step, so you'll learn exactly how to earn a legal income, maximize your benefits, and provide the best support for your family. This is a game changer for so many people. So, stay with me till the end, because this information could completely change the way you think about caregiving and your financial future. It's time to get the support you deserve for the incredible work you do. Let's get started. Thinking about becoming a caregiver for a family member, but worried about your finances? You might be surprised to learn that what many see as unpaid work could actually become a source of income. It's a common misconception that family caregiving is always a volunteer job. The truth is, many governments around the world would much rather support you in caring for your loved ones at home than pay for expensive institutional care. This isn't charity. It's a smart, compassionate system that benefits everyone. Let's look at the United States, for example. There are powerful programs like veteran-directed care, specifically for those who've served the country. Through this program, veterans can choose their own caregivers, and that includes family members. Another great example is the Home and Community-Based Services, or HCBS waivers. These are Medicaid programs that vary by state, but share a common goal: helping people receive care in their own homes. If you qualify as a caregiver under these programs, you could earn a real wage, often between $15 and $25 an hour. This allows you to provide dedicated, loving care without sacrificing your financial stability. It's a way for the government to invest in family, recognizing the immense value you provide. And this isn't just a US-based idea. This approach is gaining traction globally. Take Denmark, for instance. Known for its strong social support systems, Denmark offers monthly allowances to families who choose to care for their elderly relatives at home. This financial support empowers families to make the best decision for their loved ones, ensuring they are in a comfortable, familiar, and loving environment. The government understands that home is often the best place to be, and they're willing to support that choice financially. It's a win-win. Seniors get better, more personal care, and families get the financial backing they need to make it happen. So, what's the big takeaway here? Don't automatically assume that caring for a family member means you have to give up your income. It's time to shift our perspective. Caregiving can be more than just a duty. It can be a paid role that provides not only financial stability, but also deep personal fulfillment. You get to strengthen family bonds and ensure your loved one receives the best possible care, all while earning a living. Before you rule it out, do some research. Look into your local, state, and national programs. You might discover a rewarding path that supports both your heart and your wallet. Many countries have programs designed to support caregivers financially. Let's take a look at a few of them. First up, the United States. They have programs like Veteran-Directed Care, or VDC, and Home and Community-Based Services, known as HCBS waivers. How do they work? Basically, you register as a caregiver, log the hours you spend providing care, and you can earn between $15 to $25 per hour. This can be a huge help for families caring for a veteran or a loved one with specific needs. Now, let's fly over to Denmark. They offer something called the Caregiver Allowance, or This program provides a monthly allowance that ranges from about 5,000 to 7,000 Danish kroner. The exact amount you receive depends on the number of hours you dedicate to caregiving each week. It's a direct way the government acknowledges the vital work family caregivers do. Heading over to Canada, caregivers can benefit from a combination of federal and provincial support. At the federal level, there's the Canada Caregiver Credit, which is a tax credit that reduces the amount of tax you have to pay. When you combine this with various provincial allowances, the total financial benefit can reach around 2,000 Canadian dollars per month. It's important to check what your specific province offers. Down under in Australia, they have a two-part system: the carer payment and the carer allowance. The carer payment is an income support payment for people who give constant, full-time care to someone with a severe disability, a medical condition, or who is frail-aged. This can provide between 1,200 to 1,500 Australian dollars per month. The carer allowance is an additional, smaller payment to help with the costs of care. Finally, in India, the system is a bit different. While direct payment programs aren't as widespread, some long-term care insurance policies and specific government schemes offer partial reimbursement for caregiving expenses. It's more about getting some of your costs covered rather than receiving a direct salary. So, if you're a caregiver, it's definitely worth researching what's available in your country. These programs can provide much-needed financial relief and recognition for your hard work. Every little bit helps when you're caring for someone you love. Let's break down how you can start earning for the incredible work you do. First, start documenting everything. Keep a detailed log of the hours you spend and the tasks you perform, like preparing meals, managing medications, or driving to appointments. Every little bit counts. Next, do your research. Look up government programs and local initiatives in your area that offer financial assistance to caregivers. The benefits and eligibility requirements can vary a lot, so compare them carefully to see what fits your situation. Then, get familiar with the tax implications. Some payments might be taxable income, while other programs could offer you valuable tax credits. Understanding this can save you a lot of headaches later on. Also, see if you can combine different allowances or use long-term care insurance. This can help you maximize your financial support without breaking any rules. Finally, when you're ready, apply. Make sure you fill out all the forms correctly, submit them on time, and follow all the documentation rules. Taking these steps can help you get the financial recognition you deserve. Ready to maximize your caregiving income. Let's talk strategy. In many places, you can stack benefits. For example, in the U.S., you might combine federal HCBS waivers with state-specific allowances. In Canada, think provincial support plus tax credits. The key is to track everything every hour, every receipt, every task. Detailed logs can seriously boost your eligibility and payout. So, what does this look like in real numbers? A Canadian caregiver might combine a provincial allowance with long-term care insurance to earn around $2,000 a month. In Australia, the Carer Payment Plus supplies reimbursement could bring in $1,500 monthly. The big takeaway is this: getting paid for caregiving is a real, structured possibility in countries like the US, Canada, Australia, and beyond. Just remember the steps: research, document, apply, and then maximize. You can secure extra income while making a profound difference for your loved ones. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. Your financial journey starts here. And remember, this is for educational purposes. Always check your local rules and do your own research before applying.